Wow.
Central Missouri. Here's your National Weather Service forecast for Central Missouri, including the cities of Columbia, Jefferson City, Mexico,
That kind of had a pinkish hue to it.
through sunrise. Partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Your steady temperature in the mid-60s. Southeast wind around 10 miles an hour. Today, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. High in the mid-80s. Southeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy early in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Low around 70. South wind around 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Then sunny in the afternoon. High in the upper 70s. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 25 miles an hour in the morning. Sunday night, cooler, clear. Low in the lower 50s. Northwest wind around 10 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light after midnight. Monday, sunny. High around 80. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Monday night, clear. Low in the mid-50s. Tuesday, sunny. High around 80. Tuesday night through Thursday night, mostly clear. Low in the mid-50s to lower 60s. High around 80. Friday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. High in the mid-80s. Again, the forecast for Central Missouri, including the cities of Columbia, Jefferson City, Mexico, and surrounding communities for through sunrise. Partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Your steady temperature in the mid-60s. Southeast wind around 10 miles an hour. At 6 a.m. in Columbia, heavy rain and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1 mile with a temperature of 64 degrees. The dew point was 64, giving us relative humidity of 100%. The wind was calm, and the pressure was 30.01 inches and rising. In Jefferson City, it was cloudy with a temperature of 67 degrees. The dew point was 64, giving us relative humidity of 90%. The wind was east at 10 miles an hour, and the pressure was 29.98 inches and falling. Elsewhere in mid-Missouri, it was cloudy in Mexico and the temperature was 68. In Sedalia, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 66. In Rolla, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 65. Across the region, it was mostly cloudy in
Wow. There went the weather radio. That was vivid. Wow, it did it again. Wow. All this lightning. Oh, oh man. I had to turn down the weather radio because it was becoming annoying. Oh man. Whoa! Massive lightning bolt.